Welcome to Addis Ababa, the vibrant capital of Ethiopia. A city where history meets modernity, where the aroma of fresh coffee fills the air, and where culture comes alive in its streets, markets, and music. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey through this incredible city. Our adventure begins here, at Bole International Airport, one of Africa's busiest and most well-connected hubs. With a warm Ethiopian welcome, we step into the heart of Addis Ababa. First stop, the National Museum of Ethiopia, home to the world-famous fossil, Lucy. This ancient hominid, over 3 million years old, gives us a glimpse into the origins of humanity. But that's just the beginning. This museum is a treasure trove of Ethiopia's rich past. Next, we visit the Holy Trinity Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece and the final resting place of Emperor Haile Selassie. With its stunning stained glass windows and grand domes, this is one of Ethiopia's most important religious sites. Now let's dive into the energy of Merkato, Africa's largest open-air market. This is where you find everything, from spices and textiles to handcrafted jewelry. It's chaotic, it's colorful, and it's the perfect place to experience the daily rhythm of Addis Ababa. Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee, and no visit is complete without experiencing its famous coffee culture. At Tomoca Coffee, we sip on a rich aromatic cup while learning about Ethiopia's traditional coffee ceremony. Time for a feast. We head to Yod Abyssinia, where we taste Ethiopia's famous dishes injera, dorawat, tibs, and kitfo, all accompanied by live music and traditional dance. This is Ethiopian hospitality at its finest. For breathtaking views of the city, we journey to Mount Entoto. At over 3,200 meters, this historic hill offers a stunning panorama of Addis Ababa. It's also home to the historic Entoto Mariam Church and Emperor Menelik II's former palace. A perfect blend of history and relaxation, Unity Park inside the Grand Palace showcases Ethiopia's past and present, while Friendship Park provides a serene escape in the heart of the city. As the sun sets, Addis Ababa comes alive with music and dance. We end our journey at Fendika Azmari Bet, where Ethiopian jazz and traditional Azmari performances bring the night to life. From its deep-rooted history to its vibrant present, Addis Ababa is a city of endless discovery. Whether you come for the culture, the food, or the adventure, one thing is certain: Addis will always leave you wanting more. Until next time, Amaseganalo. Thank you.